Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Orina. The recently concluded Lok Sabha election 2024 for North and South Goa parliamentary seats has shattered several records both in terms of polling percentage and violations of the Model Code of Conduct. Goa recorded the highest voter turnout in the history of polling for Lok Sabha elections, with voting percentage clocking 76.06%. Along with high voter turnout, the Chief Election Office Goa has also seized the highest value of unauthorized goods and cash during the poll code period.
We finish our polling yesterday evening and Goa has marked of 76.06%. This is the total highest percentage recorded in the parliamentary election this time. In North Goa, the polling percentage was 77.69, and whereas in South Goa it is 74.47. So in our total Goa state average polling percentage is 76.06%. It is not included the postal ballot data and the home voting data. So it may be little bit more when we will add all these figures in this exit data here. So by this data we can say, however, we are not able to touch the 80% data, but still we crossed the exit figure of 2019 polling year. It was around 75%, but we have crossed the figure of 75, and this time successful. From the voters' point of view, we got full support and we see almost 76.06%. 17 crore 82 lakh, and in which liquor around 5 crore, cash seizure by IT department is 4.6 crore, and by other department like police 4.64 crore cash. So in all total, with all liquor, cash and drugs, 0.54 crore by NCB, 2.58 crore by police department. So the actual figure is around 17 crore and 482 lakh. It is almost 40% higher than what we seized in 2022 assembly election 2 years back, and 55% more than in 2019. But this is really the 2019.
The Congress and the BJP have been quick to claim wins over both the seats as soon as the polling figures came out late night. Congress said that they have made inroads in the BJP-dominated constituencies, while the BJP claims that the high voting turnout will turn out to be a high-margin win for the BJP. Listen in.
Congress and BJP are in a war over the claims of winning the North and South Goa constituencies. BJP says that they have got substantial lead in most of the South Goa constituencies, except for 6 constituencies in Salsit.
घडे कदाचित आम्ही उत्तर गोंयांतलो एकूय मतदारसंघ आम्ही फाटी उरतले, 20 मतदारसंघांनी आम्ही फुडें आसतले. घडे कदाचित सावथ गोंयांतल्या हांव सगळ्यांक एक्सप्रेस करपाक फाटी उडयना, 6 मतदारसंघांनी आम्ही थोडेशे फाटी आसा, 6 मतदारसंघांनी. पण आम्ही इतक्या हातूंतल्यान लीड ती ओवरकम केल्या आनी खंयच्या मतदारसंघांनी तेय बी तुमकां सांगता. सावर्डे मतदारसंघ, ओके, काणकोण मतदारसंघ, फोंड्या मतदारसंघ, शिरोडा मतदारसंघ, मडकय मतदारसंघ, ओके, सांगे मतदारसंघ म्हळ्यार सगळ्यात लिडीन आसलेले मतदारसंघ आतां बरोवन दवरात. सावर्डे, फोंडा, मडकय आनी शिरोडा हितून चड लीड. सेकंड टप्प्यात काणकोण, सांगे, ओके, हातूंतल्यान लीड आसतली, बरोवन दवरात. सो तुमकां ते 6 खंयचे ते तुमी सुटून करात. 6 मतदारसंघात मातशे फाटी आसतले, मातशे जावं शकता. आम्ही हे ओवरकम ह्या हातूंतल्यान करतले, पण 60,000ची मार्जिन ही नक्की आसा, 100% आसा.
Congress said that they have made inroads in the BJP-dominated constituencies, especially those where mining dependents are in high numbers. Congress has called the bluff of BJP's claim of getting lead in mining-dependent constituencies.
आता म्हाका समजना की हे आकडे खंयच्यान सकाळी सांगतालो. हांवें पयलें मुख्यमंत्री सांगतालो, सदानंद शेट तानावडे सांगतालो, खंयच्यान सांगता हे आकडे. अरे जे मायनिंग वाठाराचे जे 3 मतदारसंघ आसात, आमी दक्षिण गोंयचे जर धरले, दॅट इज सांगे, सावर्डे आनी कुडचडे, सम फार ऑफ केपें, थंय 7% मतदान वाडला कंपेर्ड टू 2019. आनी सालसेतीचें जर तूं कंपॅरिजन करत जाल्यार थंय जवळपास 12% वाडिल्ले आसा. सो ते सकाळी पळय उल्लेख करून आंकडे सांगताले पळय, ते आंकडे खंयच्यान हांकां मेळ्ळे म्हाका कळना. दुसरे फोंडा, शिरोडा, मडकय जूं पळयत जाल्यार ते 5% मतदान कमी आहा कंपेर्ड टू लास्ट टायम इन 2019. सो दीस शोज वॉट दॅट ज्या मतदारसंघान बीजेपी स्ट्रॉंग आशिल्ली त्या मतदारसंघांनी 5% मोडशेर देंवला, कित्याक थंय बीजेपीचो वोटर भायर सरूना. ट्रेंड जर पळयत आमी जर तर मतदारसंघ वायज जर वचत, तालुका वायज जर वचत जाल्यार खात्रेन सांगता की दक्षिण गोंय हो आमी कम्फर्टेबल मार्जिनान विकता. आनी उत्तर गोंयान जे हांव कितले म्हयने जाले जे सांगतालो की उत्तर गोंय आमी जिखतले म्हणून, ते म्हाका दिसता तूं आंकडे पळयले जाल्यार ते कळटा.
Though both the parties claim of winning both the seats, only the results will clarify the voting pattern of both North and South Goa voters. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.
Several roads in Panjim remain dug up with major works yet to be completed. As a deadline for the completion of smart city works is May 31st, the city dwellers and observers have requested the smart city officials to now stop fooling people and accept that the work will be prolonged.
In the present pace of the work going on, that doesn't seem to be completed even after a month. There has to be curing for the cement. Certain roads which are open are incomplete works. They are not completed at all. They are shabbily done. Still works. One part is done, the footpath is not done. If the road is done, the footpath is not done. If footpath is done, the road is not complete. The swage chambers are still not done, completed. Do you know, curing takes exactly 21 days of concrete. For concrete curing, 21 days is required. Let us say you take 15 days for the swage chambers and to cover the manholes. How many days are left? Only 24 days. So it is highly impossible to complete the work. It is going to be not meeting the deadline. This is only fooling the people, and the work is going at very slow pace. There are no workers only seem to be doing. They are only exhibiting they are doing the work. If they are closing the road, half the mud is left. So noise pollution, dust pollution continues to exist, and we are facing all the problems. The lowest voter turnout in Panaji city showed that the people are not interested in listening to the voice of the ruling party to go and vote, and the authorities. And some buildings were blocked, are still blocked. Access to the road are blocked till today. Many buildings all over Panjim are blocked. So how the people will move and vote? You're not only completing the work, you have even deprived access to the people to vote. This is the situation. हे केन्ना बरें जावचें ना. हे बरेंपण केलां ओ वायटपण केलां तें आमी सोजमना. बट तें म्हाका दिसता फुटपाथ धाकटो केलो, रस्तो व्हडलो केलो, रस्तो वयर केलो आनी फुटपाथ सकयल केलो, हें बरेंपण दिसना. हें सारकें पणजेकाराचें वायटपण केलां आनी कांय बरें जावचें ना. हें स्मार्ट न्ही, हें सारकें सिली एंड स्टुपीड वर्क ऑफ द स्मार्ट सिटी.
म्हाका एक्चुअली शंका आसा मातशी, कारण हार्डली आज 28 म्हणजे 1 तारखेक म्हणा ताणेंनी, सॉरी आज 8 तारीख म्हणटकूच ऑलमोस्ट 24 दीस उरले कळ्ळें. जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा अजुनी अशेंच धरया, 1 म्हयनोच आसा असो समजुया. पण आय फील इट इज डावटफूल, जावचें ना अशें दिसता म्हाका. पण ताणें जर म्हटलं आपण कंप्लीट करता जाल्यार बरी गजाल. पण लक्षांत दवरा की ते अंजुमन हायस्कुला कडलो रस्तो तो मागीर राजा पर्यंत वता, आमच्या महालक्ष्मी देवळा पर्यंत आनी कितें आसा कळ्ळें न्ही. ताज्या नंतर चेंबर जे बांदिल्ले आसा तांकां कनेक्शन दिल्या सारकी मातसो चिंतपाची गरज आसा. पूण म्हाका दिसना अजून पर्यंत सारकें कनेक्शनां दिल्या कशीं. चेंबरां बांदल्या तुमी, पण तांकां ते चेंबर बाकीचे जे सगळे सिवेज यूज आशिल्ली ती कनेक्शनां अजून सारकी दिवंक ना. हें आमी पळयल्या कारण ओपन करून तेजें हें बांदिल्लें तें आमी पळयलां, पण कनेक्शन दिता आसतना कांयच कोणी पळोवना. आनी तशेंच तांच्यानी ताजेर सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट घातला. मागीर ते परत फोडून मागीर ती चेंबरां कनेक्ट करतले काय, सो हातूनय परत मागीर टायम वेस्ट जातलो. ताज्या नंतर डिसिल्टींग करपाक जाय आशिल्लें, म्हणजे सांतिनेज नाला ऑलमोस्ट तांच्यांनी केला, नो डावट 60-70-80% प्रमाणान केला. बाकीचे परत 20% उरिल्लें आसा. पण तें आनीक कितल्या प्रमाणान कशें कितें जातलें. आतां सांतिनेजचो रस्तो परत तोय इनकम्प्लीट आसा, म्हळ्यार सगळे कडेन रस्ते अजून इनकम्प्लीट आसा. तशेंच तूं जर हाजे कडेन वचशीत आमच्या JD फेर्नांडीसा कडेन सायडीचो जो रस्तो आसा तो तांच्यांनी थंयसर आतां डांबर घालून उडयला, म्हणजे तो सिमेंट कॉन्क्रिटाचो जावं जाय आशिल्लो. ते मातशें म्हाका डावट आसा, म्हणजे एक्चुली स्मार्ट सिटी म्हटल्यार ते सिमेंटाचे रस्ते आशिल्ले, पण ते थोडे टार घालून हें केल्ले आसा. सो आय डावट, म्हणजे ताणें फक्त लोकांक दाखोवच्या खातीर हें केलां म्हणून केलें, बेटे केलें, तशें जावनय तें. सो आय स्टील हॅव अ डावट की अजून ताणें जरी 1 तारखेक करता म्हटलें सुद्दां ती जाल्यार आय थिंक सो अजून 1 म्हयनो घेवपाची गरज आसा, पूण बाबा कर कंप्लीट अशें जालें. आय एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग एज इन डावट आसा, मनाक शंका आसा की हें कंप्लीट जातलें म्हणून, टायमार कंप्लीट जातलें अशें दिसना.
The High Court has set aside the externment orders that were passed against Pastor Dominic and his wife Joan D'Souza. Both had filed individual petitions seeking cancellation of the externment orders against them. Pastor Dominic and wife Joan were externed from Goa for 6 months by the North Goa collector through an order that was passed on March 16th. Dominic and Joan had filed a petition before the High Court praying for squashing of the order, claiming that there was no live link between the offence and the reason for externment. It may be recalled that earlier in the month of January, Goa police had arrested Pastor Dominic D'Souza on charges of alleged involvement in black magic and religious conversion activities, following a complaint by Vadival B., a resident of Tamil Nadu, currently residing in Kurti, Ponda. The electronic voting machines, EVMs, from the polling stations of Sathari constituency were delayed reaching back to the strong rooms. The EVMs finally reached Altino on Wednesday morning, almost 12 hours after polling had stopped. The strong rooms where the EVMs are stored are being manned by CISF staff at Altino and Damodar College in Margao. The machines will now be unsealed on June 4th when counting is scheduled to take place.
On Wednesday, the electronic voting machines, EVMs, and VVPATs from all the polling stations from Sathari were sent to Altinho, Panjim to store them in a secure place till the vote counting period starts. Since the counting of votes is commenced together all over the nation, it is important for all the states to store the public's votes safely till all the phases are over. For the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, the first 3 phases are completed. Goa participated in the elections on 7th May 2024. Sagun for Herald TV.
Former Chief Minister Churchill Alamau has requested the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to extend permission for Christian weddings till midnight. Alamau said that Chief Minister Sawant has developed the state a lot, hence he should engage with Prime Minister Modi to seek relaxation, particularly concerning the sound restriction during Christian weddings. Listen in.
Sound बंद आमगेली ती कादनाचे प्रॉब्लेम जाला देखून हांव मागता चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन तेन्ना तेगेलें रिलेशन मोदी को बरें आहा तेका जाय जाल्यार गोंया एग्जाम्पशन हाडपा जाता आमगेले क्रिस्तांवाले लग्न जात जाल्यार बार देखून दवरपाक निमाण म्हणटा 11 ते 11:30 तर जावपाकूच जाय सो हें मुगेलें मागणें ते पडटा कित्याक हांवें चयल्ल्या प्रमाणे आज गोवा इस्टेटीक सो हे 10 वर्सांचे पण डेव्हलपमेंट पण जाला कित्याक तेगेलें उतर मोदीन आयकोन ते पयशे जाळ्या आनी जो सोंपलेलो पालिकार पळय आसलो डिफेन्सान ताणें खूब पयसो हाडलो. आज तरी डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक तुका तरी जाता मदीं सांगून जाल्यार आमगेले काजराचे लग्नाचें कितें जायना. हें आमगे क्वाशन चीफ मिनिस्टर. सो हांव मागोता चीफ मिनिस्टराक तो जात कोणेन क्रिस्तांवाले लोक काजरांक गेला कितें करून तांच्यानी चोयलां. हिंदुवाले लग्नाक कित्याक तो जाणा, मुसलमानागेर लग्न वता तो जाणा. क्रिस्तांवांक गेले काजार म्हणटा तें 6 कमी जाल्यार 12 तरी मेळ जाल्यार एकदम लोक हॅपी आसतलो. आनी 12 उपरांत तूं बंद करूं प्रॉब्लेम काय ना तरी जाल्यार 11 ते 11:30 तरी आमकां दिवपाक जाय. हें म्हगे मागण्या लागून हांवें आज तुका आपयलें आनी हांव हंबल रिक्वेस्ट करता चीफ मिनिस्टर हें तूं काम करता म्हणून.
मागलेलें आसा की वेडिंग परमिशन्स रातचे
वेडिंग परमिशन्सचो असो विशय ना. वेडिंग परमिशन आमी सरसकट सगळ्यांक दिता. ताका 10 उपरांतचो टायमींग जो आहा पळय तो टायमींग एक्सटेंड करपा खातीर तेणी मागला. ओके इट इज एन MP एक्ट, सावंड पोल्युशन एक्ट आहा पळय तो रिवायज करपाक जाय. इट इज अ सेंट्रल एक्ट. बट एनी पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डा कडेन तेजे विचार सुरू आहा. क्लोज डोर आनी ओपन हे दोनूय विशय आसा. बट आमकां वेडिंग डेस्टिनेशन म्हणून जर आमी गोंय प्रमोट करता आसतना आमकां पॉझिटिवली विचार करपाक जाय. पॉझिटिवली विचार जो आहा पळय त्या गोष्टीचेर करता कारण आमकां टुरिजम हो सगळो कन्सिडर करून ओके म्हणजे जर ते आमी ताका म्हणटा की सावंड प्रूफ डेस्टिनेशन आसली जाल्यार तितून वाडोवपाक जाता काय हरकत ना. ताजोय विचार चल्ला. बट वी आर कमिंग तितूंतल्यान सोल्युशन हे काडपाक जाय.
In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to several people to know what they think about the fact if political parties and leaders really honor their efforts and enthusiasm that people show during polling.
एक फावटी इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जाले लोकांचो ते दिवस वाडटा आनी ह्यो खुशालकाय बघून जे पळय रावतात इलेक्शनाक आपणाचो लिडर आपणाक ह्यो पार्टी ह्यो आमी तांकां निवडून हाडटले म्हणून आनी इतले ते वयर हें जाता वयतात एक टायमाचेर पर्सनल एनिमिटी लिहून जाता फ्रेंड्सां कोड्यान फॅमिली कोड्यान लिगून जे आपणाच्या लिडराक वयर काडपाक. पूण एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ते लिडर्स इतले जिवाचेर शोन आनी हें करून इतलो सपोर्ट करून ते तांकां निराशी करतात. आनी अशे जायते लिडर आहात जे आपणाचे सिलेक्टेड मनशांक वो सिलेक्टेड काम करतात पळय तसले. आनी चडसो मोटीव आहा तेंचे इलेक्टेड लिडरांचे की आपूण पावर आनी तो आपूण पावर कसो आमी पर्सनल गेनाक यूज करतले पळय ते जे पळय मनशांनी निवडून हाडला तेंचे ते पयले पळयनात. एट द फेग एंड ऑफ द टेन्युअर जी 5 वर्सां टर्म काबार जावच्या पयलो पोत्तून तांच्या दारा कडेन 6 म्हयने आसल्या वो 1 वर्स आसल्या म्हणून तेंची कितें धाकटी कामां करून घेतले पोत्तून तांकां रियुनायट करतले. हें आतां इलेक्शनाचें हें पळय हें घडटा. म्हाका ताका लागून हे पोत्तून हे निवडून येतात. कामां तर कांय ना, डेव्हलपमेंट तर कांय ना, पर्सनल डेव्हलपमेंट तेंचे पुणून कोण ऑन द कॉस्ट ऑफ आमच्या इतले विस्वासी लोकांचेर. सो हेका लागून लोकां हो मिस्टेक तेंचो न्हू. ते जाणात कशें मॅनिपुलेट करूंक जाय पळय ते पॉलिटिशियन बाबा ते कशें मॅनिपुलेट करूंक जाय पळय ते जाणात. सो तेका लागून गुन्यांव कोणाचो आमच्या कॉमन पर्सनाचो. आमी तें भार करून तांकां आमी निवडून दितात. ह्या टर्म कराना दुसऱ्या टर्माक करतले पण दुसऱ्या टर्माक ताका आनीक पाकां घोटाळ जाता बाबा ते आपणाची मागीर वोट बँक तयार करतात. मागीर लोकांचें पडोंक ना आनी मागीर डेव्हलपमेंटाचें कामाचेंय पडोंक ना. मागीर ते आपणाची बँक बॅलन्स करून करतात आनी बँक बॅलन्स करून मागीर तांकां लोकांचें कांय पडोंक ना. तो पावर ह्यो पार्टी हातीन जालो म्हणून पळय ही घडणी आनी हीच घडणी आतां ही जाल्ल्या कोड्यान डेव्हलपमेंट आनी लोकांचे हें घेवन ह्यो इश्यूज घेवन हे भोव थोडे काम करतात. हेका लागून म्हणटा गुन्यांव आमचो पयलो पब्लिकाचो. हें पळय इलेक्शन फिवर जाता न्हू थोड्याच तेंपाक आमकां पिशे करून पब्लिकाक पिशे करून ते जिखता.
The question being posed is whether political parties and their leaders honor the efforts and enthusiasm that people showed during polling. Now, let us consider the two main political parties that recently fought the elections. The BJP and the Congress with its allies. Now when you compare these both, it can be seen that though the BJP is in power, it does try to respect its people. And that shows how they worked at this Lok Sabha election. Whereas on the other side, the Congress, every political commentator would say that though the Congress is lacking in organization, it is the people who are taking that forward. Are those people respected? Was the Congress not in power? When was it in power? Did it respect its people, its supporters, its workers, its leaders? There are complaints from the good leaders, top leaders within the Congress that at this time, they are not being contacted to come and support. Whereas on the other side, the BJP who is in power has tried to reach out to everybody who has fought with them, who has got out and brought everybody together. This is lacking in the Congress today. I leave the rest to the judgment of the people.
The state experienced its highest maximum temperature of 34.6 degrees in Murmugao, while Panaji recorded the lowest minimum temperature at 26.2 degrees Celsius. Across the region, rainfall remains scarce with no significant rainfall reported. Dry spell has taken hold in the state, bringing with it very hot temperatures from 7th to 10th May and isolated instances of light rain anticipated between May 11th to 13th.
Prolonged dry spell has established in the state by soaring temperatures and scant rainfall. Dry conditions expected to persist from May 7th to 10th. Some isolated instances of light rain anticipated between May 11th to 13th. Such likely conditions will be witnessed during the mornings on May 7th to 8th. Some areas may experience hot and humid weather on May 7th to 8th. Maximum temperatures expected to remain relatively stable over the next 5 days. Given the prevailing dry spell, residents and visitors in Goa are strongly advised to prioritize hydration and take necessary precautions to mitigate the effects of the intense heat.
As part of the Green Initiative, the Goa Plantation Drive was held at Warkhand Junction, where voters planted saplings after casting their votes on Tuesday. This Green Initiative was announced by the Chief Electoral Officer, who highlighted that this drive will not only be part of environment conservation, but will also ensure that the Election Commission will be there for future generations.
In the third phase of the Lok Sabha election 2024, the Chief Electoral Officer announced that a plantation drive will be held where voters along with Election Commission officers will plant saplings at a designated stretch in North and South Goa. On Tuesday, the drive was accomplished by the voters and the officers at Warkhand Junction, a green highway initiative where voters planted saplings after casting a vote.
Dr. Prakash Pariyekar was felicitated in Valpoi by the Art and Cultural Society Valpoi in collaboration with the Goa Konkani Academy for being awarded the esteemed Sahitya Academy Award. The function was held on Sunday.
Dr. Prakash Pariyekar, Konkani literary figure, was honored for his hard work in the field of literature on Sunday at Valpoi. He has received the prestigious Sahitya Academy Delhi National Award 2023 at Delhi. The felicitation program was attended by distinguished individuals such as Vasant Sawant, the President of Goa Konkani Academy, Madhav Satwani, President of the program Literary, Dr. Purnananda Chiri, the Advisory Committee member of Sahitya Akademi Delhi, and Dr. Satkarmurthy from Grameen Art Institute. Dr. Pariyekar was commended for his remarkable contributions to the world of Konkani literature.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.